Alright, the full mouse case, upper, the one crown, let's finish it. Beautifully done. And this one, it has some story. You're trying to make this conclusion. That's great aesthetics, great colors, like this. Awesome.